Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be seeing how to set up Tkinter for GUI development in Python. First, let's see how to install Tkinter. Tkinter comes pre-installed with Python, so there is no need to install it separately. However, if you are using a version of Python that doesn't include Tkinter by default, you can install it using pip. Now let's type in this pip install tk. Make sure to install Tkinter using the correct package name for your Python distribution. Example, Tkinter for Python 3 and Python-tk for Python 2. Second, setting up a basic Tkinter window. Let's create a simple Tkinter window to get started. Open a new Python file and import the Tkinter module. Import Tkinter as tk. Next, let's create a basic Tkinter window using the following code. Type in root equal to tkinter.tk and let's give a title to our window by typing in root.title my first Tkinter window, root.geometry 300 cross 200. Now we have set the title of the window to my first Tkinter window and its size to 300 cross 200 pixels. Now let's add some content to the window. We'll start by creating a label widget. Label is equal to tk.label and pass in the variables root, text equal to hello Tkinter. Now let's pack the label into the window by adding label.pack method. The label widget displays text or an image. Finally, start Tkinter event loop to display the window. Root.mainLoop. The main loop method runs the Tkinter event loop, which listens for events such as button clicks and key presses. That's it for setting up Tkinter. In this lesson, we have learned how to install Tkinter and create basic Tkinter window. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more Python GUI programming tutorials with Tkinter. Please like and subscribe to our channel.